Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press in the bell icon also. If you didn't press in the bell icon, you will not get any kind of notification from my YouTube channel. That's why you have to subscribe my YouTube channel and you have to press in the bell icon also. So today we will talk about how can you change your video background using green screen. It's too much easy and it's too much simple also, and you can change your video background using green screen in Wondershare Filmora also. So without any late, let's begin our tutorial. So first of all, you need a video with a green background. So I have my own video in green background. So first of all, I need to drag this one. So I already drag this video. See, this video is totally in green screen, right? See, you can see. So up to this, so how to remove the background of this video? Just wait for a moment. First of all, I'll drag a background. I think I should to choose this one. I should to choose a white background. Sorry, brown color background. Okay, so now I'll expand this background from here, and so from here now I'll go to in the my video library, and after this I'll drag this video in my timeline. But you have to remember one thing: you have to drag your video in second video timeline. Okay, don't drag your video in first timeline. If you try to remove your background in first timeline video, then in that case it will not work. Okay, just wait for a moment. I'll show you in the example also. If I drag this video here also, see, and if I right click, there is no option for green screen. But if I right click here, then and you can see there is a one option for a green screen, and it's one of the most useful features of Wondershare Filmora, and you can use it in one click. Just wait for a minute. Just put your cursor where you want to remove your video background, but it should be in same color. Okay, so just right click and go to in green screen. Okay, after that just make parts of the you have to click in the make sure parts of the clip transparent. Okay, and from here just from the current color you can see, and just go here and just pick the color, which color you want to remove, and from here you can increase the intensity level of the chroma key. Okay, see, you can see here also there is a chroma key option available, and you can use shadow also here to make more beautiful, and you can use a border also, or you can flip your video also like this. Okay, you can flip your video also, and you can rotate also your video from here. And one another feature of the green screen is max. So you can max your video in different kind of shapes. You can see there is lots of shapes available in the max features. You can max your video or like in the rectangular shape also. You can mark in the this kind of shape also, or you can use this kind of shape. But if you want to use this kind of feature, just you have to double click in any kind of shape. But I think I should use this one. Okay, and just increase and decrease the width and height. You can see it is the default size of the Wondershare Filmora. So it's now it's in the 1, and you can decrease and you can increase also. See, if I decrease and if I make it 0, see, it's totally gone, right? But if you increase and see, it will work in many kind of cases. If you didn't shoot your video properly, in that case also you can use this trick. So hoping that you understand how can you remove video background using green screen in Wondershare Filmora. And if you have any kind of confusion, you can give me any kind of comment in the comment sections. See, now it's done. Now my video background is changed. You can use an animated background also, you can use a plain background also, but I'm using here only a pen background. So I think you understand about the green screen, how can you remove your video background using Wondershare Filmora. It's too much easy. So hoping if you have any kind of confusion, don't hesitate to ask me in the comment section, or you can directly ask me in my Facebook page also, or you can give me any kind of suggestions to my Twitter handle also. So thank you so much for watching this video, and hoping that you are liking my Wondershare Filmora video series. And if you want this kind of videos in my YouTube channel, you can give me a suggestions in the comment section. I will try to give reply of any kinds of video and any kind of comments. So thank you so much for watching this video. Goodbye. See you again.